Alright guys, so we're going to get our custom Emb-12 or our Emb truggy, whatever you want to call it, Emb-t out. My buddy over at Exclusive RC did this body for us when we were first starting out. We're running a Surpass Hobby combo K-Series 35 amp ESC, and this is a Gem RC build. It's with a Gem RC slipper clutch in there. This is my Zen car. Get her set up real quick. See Lando's in there. These are my Millennium Falcons. Yeah, Carbon 12 is what I called it for the longest time. So if you want to see how this was built and all that, you just look under my videos for custom Carbon 12. She's pretty sweet. So I don't know if anybody else is feeling this way, but the past couple days I've felt this ominous feeling. I'm normally pretty good at picking up vibes, things that are going on, and all that good jazz. So for whatever that's worth, I just need some Zen time, some get myself right with the world time. Sunday, it's supposed to be devoted to him anyways, right? For those that know. Anyways, well, with any luck, we'll get our HBXs out later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna ever even put this video up after, but figure might as well do two in one. I went over earlier today. These are the, like I said before, everything on this, the carbon chassis, everything on this is from Gem RC on Ollie. By far the highest quality WL parts. These are all WL compatible. So let me just make sure what I'm seeing here. Might be looking a little too much down there. Hopefully that's a little better. This is the car that made me love RC. Not this particular one, but the LC racing cars. There's nothing that beats them. You'll see the difference in the track speed. So like I was saying, for those that understand me, there's crazy vibes, so I need to zen out. I need to just run and not beat something up. I just broke my arm again, just running with anger, and I don't like that. Even though I look happy, there's some anger in me. I'd rather learn some finesse. Huh. Now the battery we're using is a Gens Ace 1800 mAh 3S. Something must be stuck in there. It's not really hot. Oh, he's really messing with me today. Tell you that, guys. Let's go bodyless for a minute. I'm not even sure how long this video is gonna last. I don't know how much space I got left in my camera. These are by far the best tires for grass tracks, and they still hold up. So if you have a EAT14 or the WL12s, it's the same tires. By far the best tires on the market for the 112s and 114s. Nothing else touches them. I think they were on the WL14010 as well. But without paying the $250 for an LC, this is the cheapest way to have that kind of control. There's a slipper clutch on it. And ooh, that's hot. So, ooh, that's real hot. So ESC's overheating. So that's all we got today. 3S is a little too much for this girl. We'll have to get 2S out. Hopefully you like. Maybe I'll let it cool off and throw a 2S in there and I'll be back out. Just so you can see. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. And I hope you dig Lando in the Millennium Falcon Part 1 or my Carbon 12 or my Emb-t. Alright, so we popped in the URGENEX 2S because I didn't have my Gens Ace 2S is in my LC, which is broken right now. But these are awesome. I love URGENEX. The reason I use the Gens Ace and these sometimes is because they just fit better. They're longer, and these have the longer battery trays. They're not shorties, so they stick in there a little better. Plus, I use URGENEX and all. I don't film a lot with me with this car. This is my when I'm feeling like I want to run and I'm not into sharing so much and a little more internal. This is what I use. And I love it. And I was silly to go 3S with it to begin with. I never go 3S with it. And you can see it's handling just as good with 2S, if not better. So I should have stuck with the URGENEX to begin with. By far my favorite car, minus the LC of course, but that's just paying for it. I built this from scratch and I want to sell these, so I think this is about $150 kit right now with inflation. I still don't have the startup capital yet for it. This battery's stale, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last for. And I'm just rambling. So I'm hoping everybody good vibes today. Trying to pass along good vibes to get rid of some negative energy. So, and jumped right in the trailer, the crawler track. Oh. What's going on? The mesh is real tight. It's like perfect tight. And this Surpass Hobby setup, K-Series. The only way to go with the 112 and 114 for the price. I mean, you can go find better, but you ain't gonna find better for the price. Whew. Hopefully this is coming out. It's going to be a long run session. Put a bunch of music on it and let it go. Oop. Dog bone came out. Oh no, screws came out. Anyways, I think we'll leave it at that. Feeling a little better. Hopefully you are too. So like and subscribe, guys, and enjoy your day, enjoy your family, enjoy your weekend, and be there for everyone as much as you can.